Welcome back to the Morning Blend. Brushing and flossing at home can help keep your mouth clean and healthy.
That's right, but it's not enough to keep them that way forever. Dr. Paul Levine from Levine Dental Associates is here to talk about the importance of preventative dental care. Welcome to you.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thanks for being here. Let's talk about dental care, and especially with our youth. What age do you usually recommend kids coming to start see you?
We recommend that children come in starting at the age of 1. The most prevalent dental disease out there facing children 6 to 11 and adolescents is dental caries or decay. So we recommend at 1. It's different when you see somebody that's older. You'll do something different, but we start at the age of 1.
Well, it looks like you have a really friendly place. I like the way that your office looks, and I think that's part of getting kids to the dentist, and that's why I like that you recommend it at 1, because I think part of it is just having that conversation, saying, hey guys, this is an important thing for us to make part of our routine every 6 months or as often as needed, and the dentist is a friendly guy who wants you to have a healthy mouth.
It's very important, and we always recommend parents to bring their children just so they can meet us, experience riding the chair. We have amenities out front for kids. We have a game room for kids, and when kids are done, they get to pick out a prize, which they always enjoy.
Yeah, that's right. We'll talk about some of these prizes in a minute. How often do people need to come see you? Because I always thought the rule was every 6 months.
Every 6 months for the average patient. Some people do need to come in more, depending on their dental history and the state of their dental health at the time. Some people need to come in 3 or 4 times a year. I once unfortunately had a patient on the transplant list. Doctor wanted him in once a month.
Oh, wow.
Just so he was ready for that transplant when it was time.
Just so there was no disease,
Correct.
no problems.
That is correct. There's a correlation between the mouth and the rest of the body, particularly the heart. So you want to make sure you can nip anything that can possibly happen in the bud. That's
a great point, because I remember someone saying no matter what you have going on in your body, a dentist can always tell what's going on because your mouth shows problems elsewhere in your body.
There are times that we can pick up oral cancer is becoming more and more prevalent, but a lot of times with the x-rays we take and things like that, we can pick up other things such as carotid artery problems or other things. So it's there's a big correlation between the mouth and the rest of the body.
And that's another reason why pregnant women in particular need to make an appointment just to have that preventative maintenance and cleaning done, because it's such an important time for you to have a healthy body and mouth.
Correct. And when you're pregnant, you can get something called pregnancy gingivitis, which can cause your gums to be a problem. So you want to make sure you get in and take care of it. And there's a lot of people that think you can't go to the dentist when you're pregnant, and you can. Very few doctors won't allow their patients to go in.
Absolutely. What about, in your opinion, what differentiates you from other dentists?
We like to be involved with our patients. We think we're great communicators. We like to make our patients at ease, so when they come in, they're comfortable. We offer a lot of amenities. We have headphones so they can listen to music or watch TV or watch videos. We also have a very up-to-date, modern office, so we have a dental laser, so we can use a laser and sometimes not even to numb a patient. We also use nitrous oxide in those cases, but I think the big thing is we communicate with our patients.
When it comes to things like foods and drink that you should avoid, I think most people think of soda and candy as being bad for your teeth. What other things should people look at avoiding in terms of your dental care?
Actually, nowadays, the energy drinks are a big one, because they also have a lot of sugar.
I never even thought of that. Even if they're sugar-free?
Even, they're still acidic. Same with diet soda. Diet soda is very acidic and causes a big problem.
So even though it doesn't have the typical sugar in it, it's still bad for your teeth and gums.
Acid is not good for your teeth. There's one famous doctor on TV that recommends sucking on lemons to whiten your teeth. And it will whiten your teeth, but it will also cause a lot of damage just because of the acid in it.
Interesting.
So I'd also stay away from starchy foods, because that helps build up the plaque on your teeth, and that's a good way for decay to start, or gum problems to start.
You have some fun things on the table here. Your superhero gift set is a fun thing for kids to see. Yeah, and tell us about it.
They're great for kids. It's great for collectors too. And the first 100 people that call our office today will get one of these. They can call the office at 414-355-0213 and pick one up.
That is so fantastic.
Cute. Do they have to be good and not cry to get them?
Actually, as long as they call, they can have one.
You can cry on the phone.
All right, all the adults, you don't have to cry. No.
Yeah, but it's a great way to get kids in to see the dentist, is to give them a prize. That's an awesome idea.
It is, and we have I think we have great prizes, and the kids love them.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I think it's great. It's good. Take care of your oral health.
That's right. So the first 100 callers will get a free Marvel Superheroes toothbrush gift kit today if you call Levine Dental. Okay, so here's the phone number. You don't have to make a purchase even, which is super nice. Levine Dental Associates, you can call by phoning this number. It's 414-355-0213, or levinedental.com is the website to visit.
You're
Great to
great.
see you this morning.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. After